here we go. Go on, Allan. Show us your beauty. What's happening here?
Well, we have 3 Zapco amps.
3? Oh, there's one in the middle, further back, set back. Very nice.
We have the 150.4, the 4-channel. We got one on the left side, one on the right side. The first 2 channels are for the tweeter and the mid. Channel 3 and 4 is bridge
For the mid bass?
for the mid bass. Okay, we have a 11.1 Zapco
In there.
a model block,
Nice.
and that's connected to 2 MX Dynamic 12-inch subs
On the shelf.
on the shelf.
Okay.
Okay.
Wicked. And then you have a DSP over there.
We have the Arc Audio PS12 Pro.
Easy access to the fuses. Easy life.
And actually there's 2 more Zapco amps. Is one for the rear fill. I was inspired to get rear fill by this gentleman here. 'Cause he's a rear fill champ. And,
Okay. Yep. I take it.
so
I have no problem with that.
So that's why I got rear fill, because of him. And in this
What are we
box
looking
here,
for?
what
Okay,
you
there's
can't
something
see,
hiding there.
Oh
yeah.
Is
Stock.
a ST1000.
Another extra monoblock.
Yeah, for the front sub.
Okay. A lot of stuff hidden in here. Let's go in. I really like this simple lighting design, and it just pops.
Yeah.
Don't open it in New York, yeah?
Huh?
Don't open it back at home.
Oh no.
No.
That's
Dangerous.
suicide right there.
All right. So, what's happening here?
Okay, 3-way. Okay, we have the ESB 9000, the 4-inch.
In enclosures. I can tell that much because I've seen the build. Yeah. Those are in enclosures there. Okay. And then which tweeter is running now?
We have the ESB. I think it's the model number is TI-25.
It's a smaller format from the 9000 range, isn't it? Is it?
Yes. It's part of the 9000 series. This here, these disregard.
Okay.
Disregard these. Have the JL. I think it's the TW10 as the front sub.
TW3 probably.
Okay. Well, the
It's
model numbers.
10.
I'm gonna get all.
Yeah.
Okay.
I get it.
In the kicks, IB.
Let's see if I can.
Phoenix Gold TI9, made by Morel.
Okay. I see.
You
So
can't
have
even
color
find.
panels. Yeah.
You can't even find these mid-range. They're very rare, but they was made by Morel.
People can't even tell that they are there. They just disappear visually.
Well, it's funny because when I picked up the car, I accused the installer of I said, "Hey, were you robbing me?" I said, "Where's the kicks?" And I had to get on my knees to actually find them. It was funny.
Yeah, it blends in. It looks very factory. Okay.
And they go to rear fill.
I see. Nice.
ESB 4000s.
Cool. And on this side as well. Okay. What's the source? What are we playing off?
A Kenwood. I think it's the model number is D.
Not very important. It's a double edge unit.
It's,
yeah, that's it. That's your source.
That's the source.
And then what's this USB? Is it connected to the head unit?
Yes.
I see. And you have a controller as well. Old school baby.
And the controller for the
DSP.
for the processor.
Wicked. Okay, easy access. So, Allan, after all these years competing, right? Quite a few years now.
Yeah, 6 years.
What would you say currently? What are the 2 favorite things in this system for you?
It's probably the front sub, and
Biggest improvement, huh?
the biggest improvement, definitely the front sub, and definitely I would say the processor.
Okay. You feel like that made a difference?
Yeah, definitely.
In what way? What are you experiencing?
Well, with the processor, it gave me more flexibility. That's why I was able to do rear fill.
Okay.
Like I said, I think that this is my first time using it. I kind of like it. I think
Well, I'm gonna listen to it. We will see if it works as it should.
Yeah, that's why I'm glad that you're in here.
Because when it's working well, you wouldn't debate whether you like it or not. You're just like, oh yeah, it's the real deal.
The installer, he just grew a quick tune just for me to you know, enjoy my drive to West Virginia from New Jersey. So I'm quite sure once you listen to it,
Definitely.
You're gonna feel that it needs some improvement.
All right, then let's listen to it.
Okay.
Let's go.
All right.